Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create canned responses here in LiveChat. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the chat section. And here, for example, I have this customer. Now, as you can see here, we have these recommendations. Okay, if you want this one, you can go ahead and use it. Click on use and just hit on send. Okay, another option if you want to add in canned or basically templates for your chat. Okay, what you can do is just use this function or icon. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and use one of these templates from LiveChat, or if you want to, you can go ahead and create your own. Okay, click on new right here. Now, if you want this to be private, you can go ahead and keep it to private or share right here. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it to private, and responses may be just for example, for a refund. Okay, go to this link. I'm just going to go ahead and get a random link, maybe just to YouTube right here, like so. Now, a shortcut, if you want to, you could go ahead and type down hash or hashtag. For a refund, I'm going to go ahead and use R or just small r, like so. And I'm going to hit on save. Now, if you want to go to the advanced settings right here, you can automate the task, but it is optional. Okay, you can go ahead and add in response when, click on the drop down, chat was started, was transferred, idle, rated, or a canned response was proposed. Assign tags, you can go ahead and add in some tags, maybe a complaint, like so, and then hit on save. And by the way, when you go to shared right here, basically click on the drop down, you'll be able to select the group or specific group where you wanted to share this specific canned response or template. Okay, now I'm going to hit on save right here. Now I'm going to test it out. Hash R right here. And we have the refund message. There you go. Hit on send. And you're good to go. All right. That is it. That is how you create canned responses here in LiveChat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.